Hello everyone, it's Billy. Welcome to this new Systeme.io tutorial where I help you get the most out of your platform. In this video, I will show you how to confirm your sender email address so that your emails are sent correctly via Systeme.io. If you don't have a Systeme.io account yet, click on the link in the description to create one for free and start from today. Before starting, here is what you need. You need a Systeme.io account. You can create one for free through the link in the description, and you need a personal email address. If you do not have a personalized email address, I included a link in the description of this video with a tutorial where I show you step by step how to create a personalized email address with Gmail. Remember, it's very important. The authentication of your domain name is essential for improving the deliverability of your emails. Check out our dedicated tutorial via the link in the description. To add your professional email address in Systeme.io, log in to your account. Once in your dashboard, you will go to the top right on your profile picture and you will click on Settings. On the left, in the Email tab, you will click on it and you see the Verified Email Address category. You will go to the link in blue. Click here to confirm your email address. Click on it and you will fill in your previously created email address. For example, we will use contact@domain. I will click on Save and you can see now that the status of my email address is pending. Systeme.io has sent an email to the specified address so that I can click on a link inside that email and confirm ownership of that email. Go to the inbox of the email address you just added, and you should have received an email with the title, Confirm the sender's email address in Systeme.io. Open the email and click on the confirmation link right here. A page will open, click on Confirm to finalize the verification of your email. You will then see that the status of your email address in Systeme.io will have changed to Verify right here. An important reminder for email deliverability: it is imperative to authenticate your domain name. This ensures that your emails reach the inbox of your contacts. Discover our complete tutorial on domain name authentication by clicking on the link in the description. You now know how to confirm your sender email address in Systeme.io. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to not miss any upcoming tutorials. And if you don't have a Systeme.io account yet, click on the link in the description to create one for free.